In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an icon without distortion. Whether you're fine-tuning a presentation, polishing a mock-up, or adjusting a graphic for a layout, getting an icon to the perfect size without stretching or warping it is essential. I'll walk you through two simple ways to do it, a quick hands-on method and a precise numbers-based method. Both start the same way. First, click the icon to select it. You should see a bounding box appear around it with handles at the corners and sides. That box is your visual cue that the icon is active and ready to be resized. Now for the fast, intuitive approach, move your cursor to one of the corner handles. Click and drag while holding the Shift key. Keeping Shift pressed as you drag tells your design tool to maintain the icon's original proportions, so circles stay perfectly round and logos keep their intended balance. Drag outward to make the icon larger, or inward to make it smaller, and release when it looks right. A quick tip here, avoid dragging the side handles if you care about accuracy, because that can stretch the icon horizontally or vertically. If you need fine control, zoom in a bit before you drag so each movement is more precise. Watching any on-screen dimension readouts while you drag can also help you land on exact sizes. If you prefer exact numbers, or you need a consistent size across multiple icons, use the Layout panel. With the icon still selected, go to the Layout settings and find the fields labeled W for width and H for height. Type the size you want directly into those fields. Press Enter to apply. To keep the icon's original proportions using this method, change both W and H using the same scale. For example, if your icon starts at 100 by 100 and you want it 1.5 times larger, set both W and H to 150. If it's a rectangle, multiply both the original width and height by the same factor. Keeping those numbers in sync prevents distortion. That's all there is to it. Click to select the icon, then either drag a corner while holding Shift for a quick visual resize, or head to the Layout panel and enter your target width and height for precise control. Use whichever method fits your workflow, and you'll get clean, consistent results every time.